Hey loves, it's LadiiJay, and today I'm going to show you how I prep my hair before I wear it. So I'm going to use my Garnier Fructis heat protectant and spray it all over my head, and then I make sure it's evenly distributed throughout my Brazilian hair that I got from shop JLSDiamond.com. And this is in Brazilian straight. I also dyed this hair. The original color was black. And I'll leave a card above so you can see the process of me dyeing the hair without bleach. And I let it stay on for 20 seconds, and then I just let the curls fall. And then I get my Flexi Rods. There's no perfect curls without my Flexi Rods. I need my Flexi Rods. So there's no specific technique. I just wrap the hair around and then I connect the ends. Pretty simple. That's why they are my holy grail. So I'm going to be using this 100% Satin Bun It from Satin Bun It 1 on IG. Make sure you go follow her. She has amazing satin bonnets in different patterns, and they're double-sided. Like, come on, a different bonnet every day. And this is the results of the Flexi Rods in my hair. Really does a great job at holding my curls. And I just make a middle part to match my closure, and then I gel down my edges so your girl will be laid for the day. Then to blend in the parts, I just mix these two colors up, and this is the finished look. Hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.